Jonna Malyari Samar versus People of the Philippines. Facts. The case originated from an altercation that took place on January 12, 2007, in Olongapo City, Philippines. Upon receiving a report of a fight at the Gen X Billiard Hall, Police Officer PO2 Richard F. Navarro and SPO3 Meliano Mirza arrived on the scene to find Jonna Malyari Samar among others engaging in a physical confrontation. Malyari, who appeared intoxicated, resisted the officers' attempt to bring the individuals involved to the police station for further action. In the process, Malyari assaulted PO2 Navarro by grabbing his collar, slapping his cheek, and kicking his leg. Malyari was subsequently detained and charged with direct assault upon an agent of a person in authority. She pleaded not guilty. The municipal trial court convicted Malyari. A decision was affirmed by the Regional Trial Court and the Court of Appeals. Albeit with a modification regarding the penalty, Malyari then filed a petition for review on certiorari before the Supreme Court challenging her conviction. Issues 1. Whether Jonna Malyari Samar action constituted direct assault upon an agent of a person in authority under Article 148 of the Revised Penal Code. 2. Whether the actions of Malyari could be reclassified from direct assault to resistance and disobedience under Article 151 of the Revised Penal Code. Ruling. The Supreme Court modified the ruling of the Court of Appeals affirming that Malyari was guilty but not direct assault. Instead, she was found guilty of resistance and disobedience under Article 151 of the Revised Penal Code. The Supreme Court differentiated between direct assault and resistance and disobedience, emphasizing that the amount and seriousness of force used were insufficient to qualify Malyari's action as direct assault. The court highlighted that for an action to be considered direct assault, the force employed must be serious and grave, which was not the case with Malyari's altercation with PO2 Navarro.